Good afternoon, everybody. This is Matthew Holliday with First Hand Weather,
And I'm Chris Nunley with Texoma Weather.
and we are watching the severe weather threat today in the plains. A lot going on.
Yeah, there is. There right now is only a slight risk, but the storms that do develop could be pretty severe. Hail is going to be a very, very high threat today in Kansas and Oklahoma.
And we have extremely high CAPE values, high dew points ahead of that frontal system, high shear around that low, and there could be the tornado threat, but we're also, like he said, very large hail and damaging winds also. So it could be a big deal in these areas, and we're already seeing storms start to fire.
Yeah, you can. If you looking at this map right here, you can see the cumulus clouds that are developing along the front as well as the dry line. They're towering by now and starting to consolidate, and thunderstorms will be firing anytime. By the time this video is uploaded, there will probably be storms in place. We could show them the MD that's out too.
Yeah, let's go ahead and show that. And we have a lot to show you. Here's the MD out for the northwestern Oklahoma area, and then up into Kansas.
Yeah, the SPC just put this out within the past 10 minutes. A watch, like I said a minute ago, by the time this video is uploaded, a watch will probably be in place. I would think this one will probably be a severe thunderstorm watch, but I wouldn't be surprised to see a tornado watch just north of this outlined area, near where y'all see that red L, which is the low pressure system. I'm pretty confident that a tornado watch will be issued there at some point.
And there's going to be an isolated tornado threat even down into Oklahoma just because of we lack shear in that area, but we have high instability, so that's going to allow for individual supercells to develop in this area, and we could get some rotation on maybe a storm or two. The higher tornado threat will be further up north, and we'll kind of show you that area in just a minute.
We could show them that tornado threat now. And like Matthew was saying, the 2% does extend down into northwestern Oklahoma, which is appropriate. I'm glad the SPC did include the Oklahoma area because these storms will likely start out being, they will be surface-based. The daytime heating has eliminated the cap. And as well as the CAPE values are super high, these storms will likely start out being discrete. So the tornado threat is there, but like Matthew said, the greatest threat is in northeastern Kansas, northwestern Missouri, southeastern Nebraska, as well as southern Iowa.
And let's go ahead and show them the CAPE values. This is the surface CAPE. This shows us the instability basically, and as you can see, that cap has been lifted in these areas. 4,000 CAPE in Oklahoma, up into Kansas, and then 3,000 up there.
It's extremely high.
That's very high CAPE, and it won't take much to really get these storms fired up. As we can already see, storms are firing. Like Chris said, once we get this video, by the time we get this video live out there, there'll be probably storms out there.
Yes, and these high CAPE values are going to help contribute to softball-sized hail, possibly even larger in parts of Kansas. And I wouldn't be surprised to see baseball and softball-sized hail in Oklahoma too.
I agree. And by the way, if you're in these areas and you can safely get pictures, please send them to us. We'll put them out there.
Yeah, we would really appreciate that. But at the same time, like Matthew said, please be safe.
Let's show the dew points. This shows you pretty much where the front is located at, and as you can see, like in Amarillo, Texas, 10-degree dew points, but just right out ahead, like Oklahoma City, 63-degree dew points. So this shows this shows us the very unstable air with this system.
Very unstable.
And here we go, and let's go ahead and show you the temperatures too. And we've got mid 80s, even 89 in the Panhandle up there. So mid 80s to even 90s in some of these areas.
Yeah, these temperatures, and also we'll leave this up. If you notice down near Midland, it's 90. That's actually behind the dry line, but just ahead of that dry line off of the Caprock, some thunderstorms will develop, and actually are developing at this hour right now in western Texas. And also, I would like to mention down near the Brownsville, Corpus Christi area, there are some severe storms down there in Texas that have quarter-sized hail, and they actually they have a nice presence on radar, so they're definitely going to be efficient hail producers.
Let's see what else we have here. This is just a basic surface map. just to kind of show you. This was put out earlier today, so really the map that we showed you earlier is more current.
Yeah.
This just kind of gives you an idea, again, where the severe weather threat will be possible. And here's the hail threat here. This is the area that really could see large hail into Kansas, up into Missouri, Nebraska, Iowa, then stretching down into Oklahoma. And then, like Chris said, ahead of that dry line, we're going to have storms fire even into Texas. So these are all the areas that we need to watch.
Yeah.
And I wanted to see if I could pull this up while I'm thinking about this.
I'm going to go ahead and check right now and see if a watch has been issued.
Okay, that sounds good. And right here, as you can see, this is the wind shear. And we don't have a lot of shear into Oklahoma. But like we said, I can't stress enough, there could be an isolated tornado. Biggest threat will be held down the further south away you get from that low pressure system. But we'll keep you updated on our sites. And something else I do want to show you, I'm going to see if it'll let me type it up while recording. And this is looking... This is a severe weather threat for this area. This is what would be, I think, the Monday time frame. So this looks to be a fairly large outbreak, and we're going to have to keep a watch on this one. And we'll definitely keep you updated on our sites also.
Yeah, this day could be a pretty significant outbreak. As of right now, that's the way it appears. There will also be a threat on Sunday as well. Could we show them Sunday?
Right here?
Maybe. Is this? I think this is Sunday. Well, there's not much right now, but just we need to keep an eye on Sunday as well as Monday and Tuesday, because this will be a few day event. So we do need to keep an eye on this, especially on Monday.
And we will keep you updated. As of right now, no watches.
Yeah, no watches. Can we look at the current radar and see if any thunderstorms have developed in northwestern Oklahoma?
You just want to look at the meso analysis here. It'll let me click it. It is not letting me click it.
Huh.
Yeah. For some reason, it's not letting me click it. So, but we'll keep you updated on our sites, and come and check us out at first10weather.com, primoweather.com, and we also have Facebook pages, and we'll put that in the description so you can come like those pages. So,
yeah.
We will definitely keep you updated. So stay tuned.
Bye, y'all.